Maayong gabi mga kalahing. Good evening kalahing. Mag comment na po to sa abdominal massage and itch therapist. Kahapon si Jason, karon si GR. Okay. That is a part of effleurage massage, gliding and sliding with the two hands. Interval. And then squeezing. Squeezing is the family of petrissage. Petrissage to melt the muscle tissue, or some call this as detoxification strokes or massage, to detoxify. Ito yung model si Pinky. GR. Kalahing through watching this video, maka-learn na mo on how to massage the abdomen. And then flexion to the navel area. That's it mga kalahing. May last strokes pa siya. Stroke. So, lain-lain lang mga strokes. Isa lang training, pero lain-lain lang mga strokes. So, pili lang mo sa mga videos, mga kalahing, kung asa inyong preferred strokes inyong gamiton. Since nakauna na si Jason. And then, karon si GR. Iyang abdominal massage. That's it mga kalahing. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.